Hey guys, we're so glad that you could join us again. Today we're going to learn how to assemble two front wheels. Remember that in our first lesson we learned how to assemble rear wheels, main motor, and steering motor.
Yeah, so if your kit does not look like ours right now, feel free to pause the video and go back because we want to start the same step. In this next lesson, we'll break it down into 3 simple parts for you to follow. Ready for it?
Yeah, let's go!
In this lesson, we'll be teaching you how to assemble the 2 front wheels. First, install large and small bearings in the 2 steering cups. Now, insert the link rods into the front steering cups. Again, remember to do it on both sides. Now, insert the latch pins to secure the link rods. Next, insert the hex adapter. Make sure the latch pin is inserted and the engrave pin on the hex adapter. Lastly, install the wheel and then secure it with the lock nut, and that's the M4 lock nut. Just like that. Great. Adjust the long tight rod to 24 mm. Connect the 2 wheels with the long tight rod. And then secure both sides with screws, M 2.5 x 10. Insert the screws on the outer hole of the steering cup on each side of the wheels. Feel free to adjust the length of the long tie rod if needed. First, locate the 4 mounting holes to install the 4 copper hex standoffs, and that is M3 x 22. Secure each copper hex standoffs M3 x 22 with a screw M3 x 8 underneath the metal chassis. Now, we're installing the standoff plates on top of the copper hex standoffs M3 x 22, and then secure each with 2 screws, and that is M3 x 8. Remember to do it on both sides and secure them tightly with screws. Now we're installing the assembled front wheels and then secure them with screws, M 2.5 x 10. Just like that. On the bottom side of the metal chassis, use 2 screws, M 2.5 times 10, to secure the front wheels. Attach the other end of the short type rod to the steering cup on the right, and then secure it with the screw, M 2.5 times 10. You're doing a great job! Hi guys, so it wasn't so bad, right?
Yeah, Charlene, our kids are very smart. So in this lesson, we learn how to assemble 2 front wheels and attach it to the main chassis. In the coming lesson, we'll be learning how to connect main board and expansion board and attach it to the main chassis.
And this is my favorite section of all because it is one of the key sections to the driverless car. Yeah!
See you in the next video!
See you!